Ancestry.com has rolled out a lot of new features that are really, really great for those of us who want to add a little bit more detail to the person that we're profiling. Maybe we need to dig a little bit deeper into our research, and I'm going to show you one of them today. The first one is description. If you notice in the timeline, there's now a little option called description. If we click on that, a bar on the right-hand side will pop up and it will say analyzing your ancestor, checking for gaps of information, and then give you a couple options. So I like to add information on my timeline, especially if it's a MPE, an adoption, or maybe I'm unsure of names or research. I like to add them right here on the birth. So let me come over and see what they've giving me for options. I've got just the basics, more detail, or in depth. So if I do just the basics, this is what it's going to give me. It's going to give me that Rosina Gregory was born and the date, the location based on the source that's already there, and the parent's name. Well, I kind of already have that. So let me see what more detail is. Okay, now we're looking at more detail. So not only do I have the same information, but it's going to point out that the 1880 census recorded her at age 8. If you notice over here, that's the first census that I have. That's pretty good. And it tells me it has 4 siblings and where she's living. Let me go a little bit deeper in depth. Let's pick that one. Now I have the same information as the basic, same information as more detail, but it's going to give me just a little bit more information at quick glance. So it does tell me where she was born, when she was born, and her parents and her 4 siblings, and it names them based off of the source that I have. So keep in mind that your sources, as you update, you might want to update this description as well. I'm going to go ahead and pick this and just hit save. And then that will populate the information here. If you need to make changes, you can come in and edit, and you can make changes as needed. Pretty cool. Stay tuned for tip number 2.